Kakatapos lang ng last interview ko, grabe man. Alam mo bang parang ano na ako, kakainin na ako ng kaluluwa ko. Sobrang rami nila men. First time ko may interview ng 5 tao or more than 5 kasi 7 overall. Nandun na yung COOs, head ng both departments. Pre, hindi ko na-expect. Pagpasok pa lang ng meet, parang gusto ko na lumabas. Pero based naman sa feedback nila, my answers were good. And sana, we proceed on the next phase. Hi, Axidax. Masipag ako pero wala akong pangarap. Welcome sa episode 16 of 365 2026. Yo, Ox na tayo. After this, send na tayo ng applications mamaya. And syempre, mapag-workout na tayo. Grabe, sobrang sakit ng katawan ko, man. Kahapon, hindi na ako napag-workout pero ngayon babawi tayo. Today is push day.
Today's reminder: if you sometimes feel overwhelmed, step back, relax, take a deep breath. Remember, everything will be fine. All is well.
That's for my update for today, guys. Sobrang hype lang talaga ako.